Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. This review is based on my personal experience using the product. Shogun is a powerful page builder located at getshogun.com/page-builder designed to empower users to create stunning, high-converting landing pages and website experiences. It's specifically tailored for e-commerce platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, and other popular options. What makes Shogun a compelling option for online businesses is its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, eliminating the need for coding expertise. You can easily add elements like text, images, videos, and call-to-action buttons, arranging them precisely how you envision. Furthermore, Shogun offers a library of pre-built templates to jumpstart your design process. These templates cater to various industries and marketing objectives, allowing you to quickly customize a professional-looking page that aligns with your brand. Beyond its design capabilities, Shogun is equipped with features that enhance the performance and effectiveness of your online presence. A/B testing functionality enables you to experiment with different page variations to identify which performs best. Detailed analytics provide insights into visitor behavior, helping you understand what's working and where improvements can be made. Shogun also prioritizes mobile responsiveness, ensuring your pages look and function flawlessly across all devices. In today's mobile-centric world, this is crucial for reaching a wider audience and maximizing conversions. With its integration with popular e-commerce platforms, Shogun streamlines the process of creating product pages, promotional campaigns, and even entire online stores. This seamless integration allows you to manage your content and sales efforts efficiently from a single platform. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, Shogun offers a user-friendly platform with advanced features to help you achieve your online business goals. Check it out at getshogun.com/page-builder.